Is your car shifting incredibly hard, or is your speedometer bouncing around randomly while you drive down the highway? You are likely dealing with trouble code P0716, which translates to input or turbine speed sensor, a circuit range, or performance. This generic powertrain code applies to almost all modern automatic vehicles across the United States. Your automatic transmission is a highly complex machine that relies heavily on precision timing to shift smoothly. To manage this, the engine computer uses an input speed sensor, which is usually a small electromagnetic device mounted near the torque converter on the transmission case. As the internal transmission shaft spins, a special metal wheel with notches passes very closely by the magnetic tip of this sensor. Every time a metal notch passes by, it interrupts the magnetic field and creates a pulsing electrical signal. The computer reads these rapid pulses to calculate the exact revolutions per minute of your transmission input shaft. If the computer notices that the speed signal from sensor A is erratic or makes absolutely no sense compared to the engine speed, it triggers this code. The symptoms are extremely noticeable and can make your car miserable to drive. Your check engine light will illuminate, your speedometer might stop working, your engine might stall when you stop, and your gas mileage will plummet. To protect itself from internal destruction, the computer will often force the transmission into a restricted limp mode, which causes violently harsh shifting. The most frequent causes of this issue include a completely dead input speed sensor, damaged electrical wiring, or heavy metal shavings stuck to the magnetic tip of the sensor. To tackle this at home, start by checking your transmission fluid. If it is full of metal flakes, you have larger mechanical problems. Next, locate the sensor on the outside of the transmission and inspect the plastic wiring connector for green corrosion or broken wires. You can remove the sensor and wipe off any metallic sludge from the magnetic tip, which often restores the signal instantly. If you have a digital volt-ohm meter, you can test the internal resistance of the sensor against factory specifications. If the resistance is out of bounds, the sensor is bad. If dealing with hot transmission fluid, accessing tight spaces under the vehicle, or testing complex waveform patterns sounds too difficult, you need to take your car to a certified transmission specialist. They have advanced oscilloscopes to watch the magnetic signal wave in real time. Fix this sensor issue quickly to restore your smooth shifting and protect your expensive transmission.